Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and this video also doesn't require any hook because if you know about awards, this site is almost like award but a little bit different because it obviously doesn't have that social media type interface where you can rate some of the landing pages, and rather than that it have a lots of useful resources too. So that's the two differentiating factor of it. So let's just say it. Okay. So here we are at Lapa.ninja today. Okay, so kind of different name for this website, Lapa.ninja. Now the thing is, in this website, first of all, you when you land on it, you this says like the best landing page examples, learn design, download free ebooks, and UI kits. That's like too much thing over here that they shouldn't have done, but I don't know why. And another thing that I have noticed that their different interfaces look different. Like this is Lapa Learn, and this looks totally different than normal Lapa.ninja landing page. Okay, and this look more cool to be honest. This look great. I don't know why they are maintaining these as well. Whatever, no, whatever is the reason, but I think they should all shift to this design. Whatever, let's see what we have today. Okay, so first of all, the landing pages are over here, that you can see, and there are tons of landing pages over here. And as you can see, where is this? Yeah, 4744 landing pages, and you can like choose from the categories, from colors, like choose from colors and from categories as well. So if suppose we are going for an e-commerce site, so here is an example. Here are some examples of e-commerce site that looks great. Okay, so they have really great example website, to be honest, like in terms of design. Okay, and some of those website, maybe some of those website you can find it in awards too, uh, but awards had tons of website, and you can obviously feel overwhelmed over there. But yeah, here the number is, I think there's not that much, but still it's quite a bit of number. And obviously paginations, because yeah, you can you can fit all of them over here. Now, Teenage Engineer is something really great. I love them a lot because look how the landing page is looking, right? And the devices that Engineer make, those are also like phenomenal. I don't know how they make it, but those are like what I should say, like little magic boxes. Okay, like all of their devices. This is org one, I think, or whatever, I don't know, I don't like, I forgot that device name. uh but we are not here to explain what is teenage engineer. Let's just visit the site once. Okay, so yeah, they have changed it a bit because obviously whatever product they are featuring right now, that should appear over here. Okay, now it is, I am supposing, this is the holiday sale page that they have captured over here. So these have that landing page, but rather than you can see always a, a particular device over here. Now here is double trouble module set for OPZ. Yeah, this is OPZ, right? OPZ. Wait. Products. The whole site experience is different over Teenage Engineer, to be honest. Oh, they have tons of new devices as well. Though I am not a audio geek, like I don't know music at all. So, yeah, this is OP1. Okay, this is OP1. So they have tons of devices right now, I think so, and their devices are just phenomenal. Yeah, phenomenal. Whatever, like whoever is a musician or music lover, producer, actually producers love them a lot. So whoever is a producer, they like those devices a lot. This cost too much, but yeah, that I am going out of the topic for a lot of time, like whatever. So let's see other sections. So this was the hours like section of this website. Then we have learn design, free design books, and 600 plus freebies. Okay, so in learn design section, this is the learn design section, and I am right now in 3D section, and you can go to design system, sketch, figma, adobe xd, and a lots of things. Okay, and basically most of them are backlink to a blog or something like that. Okay, so that's the thing. Like suppose I'm clicking on it, yeah, and I'm supposing this will like take me to a blog. Yeah, this is a medium blog, right? As you can see it here, but it has all of the collections of it. Okay, I like a really great collection of it. Now from here you can go to other portions of this side, but let's go from here. Wait. Yeah, okay, wait, whatever, let's go from here. So here is the uh, 625 free handpicks, like UI, free UI templates, or maybe something like that. Like there are lots of things. As you can see here, it has Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, InVision Studio, Webflow, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator templates. Okay, so that is another section of here. As you can see, there are lots of things. To be honest, free charts and all. I have this free charts. This is great. Yeah. Then I know we have a lots of things over here, right? A lots of things. Whatever. So this was another section. Now let me actually go to the main site. Otherwise, yeah, this is the book section of it, the free books and guide section. Okay. So this was the book section, and there should be another section, right? Now this designer hunt section is not like working right now. I don't know why, but maybe some difficulties are there. Whatever. So this is the book. Then Lapa Ninja, learn design, and free buckets. Okay. So I have covered all of those section. Yes, four section I have covered already. So that are basically it about it. And in Lapa blog, I didn't have like find out too many great things, so be honest. So that's why I am not recommending it at all. But those four sections are good. Those four sections are really good. You can try it out your own. Like let me know if you like this resource collection or not. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel and give these videos a thumbs up. Okay, so YouTube algorithm will know that you like it, and I will get some more viewers as well. Okay, and rather than that, if you know about some of the great websites or resources like this, please let me know about them in the comment section below. So bye for now.